In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if website is on Shopify. 5 minutes. We're going to use a quick, reliable method that looks for a Shopify fingerprint in the website's code. All you need is a web browser. If you have access to a Shopify admin, this process is even more straightforward because you can open the storefront directly from your dashboard and then verify it from there. Start by going to the Shopify website and signing in to your admin if you aren't already. Once you're in the dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar and select Online Store. This takes you to the area where your themes and storefront settings live. From there, click View Your Store. That opens the live storefront in a new browser tab, exactly the version your customers see. With the storefront open, move your cursor over any blank area of the page, then right-click to open your browser's context menu. If you're on a trackpad, you can use a two-finger click to do the same thing. From that menu, choose View Page Source. Don't pick Inspect, that shows a live DOM view. You specifically want the full page source, which opens in a separate tab and displays the raw HTML the browser received. Now that you're looking at the source code, use your browser's find feature to search within the page. On Windows, press Ctrl and F. On macOS, press Command and F. In the search box, type cdn.shopify. You're looking for references to Shopify's content delivery network, which often appear as links like https://cdn.shopify.com or similar asset URLs. If the website is powered by Shopify, you'll typically see Shopify-hosted assets such as theme files, style sheets, or scripts served from that domain. Finding cdn.shopify in the source is a strong indicator that the site runs on Shopify. You may see it multiple times across different lines, which is normal because themes and apps can load several files from Shopify's CDN. If it appears, that's your confirmation. If it doesn't appear, keep in mind that some advanced or headless setups can obscure these references, or assets may be cached through other services. In those rare cases, the absence of cdn.shopify isn't definitive on its own, but for most conventional stores, this check is clear and fast. And that's it. Go to Shopify, open Online Store, view your storefront, right-click, choose View Page Source, and search for cdn.shopify. With this simple workflow, you can confidently tell whether a website is on Shopify in just a moment. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you want to follow along step by step.